Have you ever thought of getting paid to hire new recruits inside of your company? Well, Dan Henry just cracked the code. It's tough to hire a salesperson and trust them to go ahead and talk with your prospective clients, right? So why not just train them and get paid while training them to later on just hire them to do the work. Hey guys, my name is Muzz, and in this video I'm going to cover how Dan Henry recruits the best salespeople and trains them while making a bunch of money to recruit one in the first place. So without much ado, let's jump right into it. If you don't know Dan Henry, he is a multiple 8-figure entrepreneur and has made most of his wealth selling online digital courses and products. He's the author of the book Digital Millionaire Secrets, and from the time that I know him, he's who you would call webinars beast. He knows how to sell with webinars. Now let's jump right into the strategy. Listen to this closely. You see, Dan Henry himself has a high ticket offer that he is selling, right? To all of his clients, the main purpose of this high ticket product is to get all those people more clients, right? So his clients have products ranging anywhere between $10,000 up to $100,000. So all of these products cannot be directly sold from a webinar or a landing page, right? You cannot purchase a $10,000 product just coming up to a landing page. It's not possible. In order to close all of these deals, you have to get people on the call and then get someone who is professional in closing to close all of these deals. But here's the trick. All of his clients, till now all he was doing is he used to just fill people's calendar, his clients' calendars. But another problem that arises from this is there are not enough closers to close the deals on the call. Even if you have filled up the calendar, now you have like hundreds of people to talk every single month. But how will it be possible if you only have a couple of salespeople inside of your team? It won't work, right? So in order to solve this problem, he launched a second company called closedeals.com. Inside of this company, what he is doing, rather than just going out and putting up a story saying that we need closers to close deals of our clients, what he did instead is he brought up an opportunity for all those people who are eager to learn how to close, and he brings them inside of a program to teach them how to close. In order to get inside of this program, you'll have to pay a 5-figure fee to join this 7 or 8 weeks program. Once you join in, after paying the fee, you will be asked to go ahead and complete each and every task. They will see, and they will first train you, and they will see if you are capable of going ahead and doing the closing for their own clients. So after you have gone through the training, then you will be recruited to go and do the closing for their clients, right? You see how crazy it is? Instead of just going out and putting a story, what he does is he charges for teaching people how to do this stuff, and then he gives them the opportunity to get a job or simply places. This is the same model that universities do. They first take the money, teach them, and then towards the end they go ahead and give a job placement. The exact same model. But the trick is, what he does is he gives them proven opportunities. Now he has got thousands and thousands of influencers as their clients who have their calendars filled. He has a lot of opportunity for people. So even if they have completed the training, one person is recruited to a person, if to an influencer. If the influencer rejects him, or even if it's not a good fit for the influencer, he has 999 more influencers to go ahead and recruit this person to, right? So there's a lot of opportunity over here. It's not like a university where you just have thousands of employees ready to go inside of a job, but there's not enough job. He has the job, right? So this is the exact model that he uses. So what I will be doing next is from the next recruit, I will be charging them money. No, it doesn't work like that. You have to have a proven method, and you have to make sure that you have enough opportunities before you go out and apply this method inside of your own company. Why will somebody pay 50,000 rupees or thousands of dollars to come inside of designers? And even if we do not have enough opportunity afterwards, how can we possibly take the money to teach them the stuff if we do not have the opportunities? So first, we have to make sure that we have the opportunities right in front of us, and we know that there is hunger for this job, and then later on we can just take people inside of this training. We can train them, get paid first, and then go ahead and give them the opportunities that are already present. And I think it's fair enough. when you already know something, why not just share the value while making some money? There's nothing wrong with it. The same model was applied by Russell Brunson when he launched his funnel builder certification program. 1 month ago he launched this program where he got people inside of a training, and he taught them everything, and towards the end he asked for this he pitched the funnel builder certification program, where in order to get inside of this program you'll have to pay $10,000, and after you complete the entire course you will be given a certificate by clickfunnels.com, and you will be a certified funnel builder. He will give you opportunities after that. He has got thousands and thousands of clients who are ready to make funnels every single day. So why not just get people inside who are already interested in funnel building, teach them how to make funnels that actually convert, and later on just go ahead and get some clients right from ClickFunnels. Right? It's completely fair. So that will be all for this video. If you enjoyed, then please make sure you hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. I just go ahead and watch all of these sales funnels, get the tactics out, and share it with you inside of my YouTube channel. So I will be seeing you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and keep creating for a change.